Okay, so we have what are called common logarithms, and common logarithms mean base 10. Okay, so they're so common, they're ones that we use a lot, and so kind of like a square root when you don't have to put the index, with a common logarithm, you don't have to write the base. Okay, it's understood. So our normal logarithmic function looks like this, um, log base b of x. A common log, so I don't know, I'll just call it g of x, is going to be log, but you won't put a subscript. It's understood to be 10, and then you'll just put the argument there, okay? So when you have, if you want to think in your mind, this is a little thought cloud, that's log base 10 of x, okay? But we don't write the 10. So when you see log, but there's no subscript, there's a 10 there, okay? It's a common log. Now, you should have on your calculator, you should have a scientific calculator. There should be a button on there somewhere that says log. And it should look like that. Oh, mine looks like this, capital letters. I don't know why, but anyway, something like that. That is my common logarithm button, okay? So we'll be using that here in just a minute. Okay, so the percentage of adult height attained by a boy who is X years old can be modeled by, and then they give us this model right here, that function. And notice that it has a common logarithm. How do I know it's common? Because it says log and there's no subscript. Okay. And it says X represents the boy's age. It's only good for ages 5 to 15. And then f of X represents the percentage of his adult height. Okay, so approximately what percentage of his adult height has a boy attained at age 8? So what we're trying to do is we're trying to evaluate the function at 8. Now there were a few students that had trouble with the idea of evaluating a function. Remember, this is the f function at 8. It's not times 8, it's f of 8, okay? What it means is we're taking our function over here and we're plugging in 8 for the x. Now, I can just put this all in a calculator, or if I really want to be fancy, I can say 8 plus 1 is 9, but that's okay. We'll just show you how to do it this way. So you're going to put in your calculator, you're going to put in a 29 plus, so you can play around if you want to with your calculator, 29 plus, and then you're going to go 48.8, so 48.8, and then you can hit the log button, the LOG button, okay? Now, when I hit the log button on my Texas Instrument, my kind of cheap calculator, it automatically opens a parenthesis. I don't have to put it there. That's already there. All right, so don't make another one. All right, and then I'm going to put 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. And then I am going to close the parenthesis. Okay, so how can I put this? This is an automatic thing. I'm not pushing any button. That's just automatically appearing. I'll put it in red. Maybe that'll help. Okay, and what do I get? I get 75. It doesn't say how accurate they want it to be, but it's 75.57%. They might round that off to 75.6, or they might even round it off to 76%. Okay, so there you go. I'll just go one decimal place. So by the time he's age 8, he's acquired approximately 75.6% of its height. No way. Okay, well, that's what it says. Leave the model. Okay,